The big cash chase is on.
Many of the tallest buildings in Seoul have a seismic resistance.
The tough shells are taking a crack at opening Vault 1.
That was our first elimination of this match, and in all likelihood not the last.
Complete team wipe for the steamrollers. The last member of the Tough Shells needs to show us that tough people outlast tough times. The Tough Shells must not be named after turtles, as they're quick to start their first cash out. The shock and awe are holding the higher ground. Awesome steel, none other than the shock and awe. The shock and awe are in trouble, but don't just yet. They still have one contestant left. The Tough Shells are bringing more than tough talk to the arena. They steal a cash out. The steamrollers are determined to crush the competition. They're opening Vault 2.